How can I use Wget to download large files? I'm using Linux Mint 15 Cinnamon running from an 8 GB pen drive. I want to get the ISO for Linux Mint 14 Nodiaf KDE. I tried using Wget in the terminal. Here is exactly what I typed. After it downloaded until 30%, after like 2 hours, I was disappointed to see that it stopped downloading. I use Wget because I do not want to leave my Chromium browser on. Please help me so I can download it. Thanks in advance.
You can continue failed downloads using Wget, provided where you're downloading from supports it. Quote, say we're downloading a big file, and bang, our connection goes dead. You can simulate this by quitting with Ctrl+C if you like. Once we're back up and running and making sure you're in the same directory you were during the original download. Provided where you're downloading from supports it, you should get going from exactly where you left off.
Normally, Wg has no file size limit. If Wg is failing, it is probably because you are running out of space on the pen drive. Do you have a free GB for the ISO? How did Wg stop? Was there an error message? Did you perhaps allow the computer to go into suspend? If so, use Wg-C as suggested by @DTMland. Finally, Wg does have an option to limit file size, but it is not set by default. One possibility is that your sysadmin has set a limit by making Wg an alias to something like Wg max file size and to check if Wg is an alias, run alias Wg. If it is, you can use \Wg to bypass the alias and run Wg directly.
You know, what's right now? Please consider looking at sharing